Danny, what is the name of this kind of paragraph? What would we call this?
A note.
This is a note. Very good. In a note, just like in a paragraph of a story, we still have information that's the most important that tells us what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. And in this paragraph, we have main ideas and we also have details. The main idea is what is the most important thing in the story, okay? And the details are the pieces of information that help us support the main idea. All right, we just read this, but we're going to read each sentence by itself. Can you please read this first sentence?
There are so many different ways to see Niagara Falls.
Excellent. What is the main point about that sentence?
There's different ways to see Niagara Falls.
Excellent. So I've already written that our paragraph is going to be about ways to see Niagara Falls. Okay, can you read the second sentence?
You can look at the falls from the United States side of the river.
Can you give me a detail that would help me support ways to see Niagara Falls? How can we see Niagara Falls?
From the United States side of the river.
Okay. So I've written that as my first detail, from the U.S. side. Next, can you read this sentence?
Then you can walk across a bridge to Canada and see them from that side.
So can you tell me what the second detail is?
You can see it from the Canada side.
From the Canada side. This is another way to see Niagara Falls. Now I'd like for you to read the next sentence.
You can ride on a boat, or you can fly over the falls in a helicopter.
That was very good. There is a key word in that sentence that tells me that I'm going to be able to find two details, and that word is or. Do you see that? So can you tell me the first detail of that sentence that helps me support ways to see Niagara Falls?
From a boat.
From a boat. Ways to see Niagara Falls. That's one way. When you ride on the boat, it sprays you, so you have to wear raincoats. What is the second part of that sentence that tells me another way that I can see Niagara Falls?
In a helicopter.
So I can see Niagara Falls from a helicopter.